Here we have a Hotsy automatic parts washer. This unit, it does use hot water to wash the parts. This unit is 220 only. It has an adjustable thermostat, which is inside the control panel. Right now we have it set pretty high. We're somewhere around 187 to 190 degrees. We're somewhere in that facility. If you come around to the back side here, we have access panels that get you into the sump. As you can see, it's full of water. This gets you in to clean it if you need to get access to the heating coils. Also here on the front, as you can see, there's a float, and it does work. When it's low, it means it's out of water. When it's full, it means it has enough water. If you go any higher than full when you run it, the water will spill out of the sides here. Over here is the pump. If you come around to the back, this is where you gain access to put the heating elements inside the unit if they ever need to be replaced. These elements are not original. We have replaced them before. Over here we have an oil skimmer, so if you're washing greasy parts, you can turn the oil skimmer on. It will skim the oil off the top of the water and dump it over here into the bin. If you come over here, you see this stack. This is to put a hose so you can vent it outside, so as it's washing, you're creating pressure, and it'll blow the steam outside of the unit. Here is a set of old table bearings. So if the bearings ever go on the table, you have the numbers and you can order them easy. These are just holes to grab hot objects out of the Hotsy. And over here we also have one more access to gain access inside of the Hotsy. As you can see, they come right off. Line it up. Slide it. You come over here, pull it over, open the door. Here this is a 30-inch table with you have 40 inches of height. If you don't want to use the safety ring does come right out. Normally a lot of people don't use it with this. If you need to put a tall object into the Hotsy, you take this lever back, and this unit goes all the way forward, so you can put taller objects in it and the water still sprays horizontally. Same thing to put it back down, just reverse the procedure. Now you're back to having two sets of jets. As you can see, you have a top bar with jets, medium bar, and you have jets coming down the side of the pipe too. To start the unit, you come over here. As you can see, there's a heater switch. It used to be a timer. We took the timer off and we just put an on and off switch. Turn the switch on, you can see that the heater light lights up. To get the Hotsy to run, you will need to shut the door. You come over here and you can set your timer all the way from 5 minutes all the way to an hour. You can see it starts instantly. So you can see a little bit of the steam. I've had this unit running for about an hour. It takes about an hour for it to heat up completely from cold all the way up to operating temperature, wherever you set it. When you do go to open the door, hit the handle. As you can see, it stops. Let it sit for a second, let all the hot water drain. Open the door, and as you can see all the steam coming out, the unit is up to temperature. The same thing when you want to restart. Now if you want to use the skimmer attachment, you turn the skimmer on. If you look over there on the side, the skimmer is actually running right now. As you can see, it trickles down, it scrapes it, and it funnels it right into the tray. If you want to turn it off, you just reverse the procedure, put the switch to off. This switch here is for if you want the table to rotate. This table does rotate. So if you want it to rotate, you have to turn the switch on. And to demonstrate that the table does rotate, I'll be putting this cap right here, and when we shut it, we open the door back up, it will be moved to a different position. Switch is on, shut the door. As you can see now, the part's all the way over there on that side of the Hotsy, so the table does work. The only issue that I know about with this Hotsy, the bearings in the table are going to need to be changed again. There's a little bit of play in them, but it's common. They do go out every couple of years. Other than that, there's no issues with this unit whatsoever. Then to turn the unit off, just turn the heater to the off position, turn the timer to off, so this way when you close the door, still maintain heat for the night, so when you come back in the morning, you're not sitting in cold hot seat.